Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies, kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. Four of Wands, Eight of Wands, wow. Queen of Swords, Four of Pentacles, King of Cups, Star, Knight of Swords, Fool card, and Ten of Pentacles. Wow. So, bubuhos ngayon sa iyo ang blessings. Ayan, marami to. So, bahala ka na kung alin dyan ang tatanggapin mo or i-eliminate mo kasi mukhang hindi lahat to ay masasalo mo or makukuha mo. So, choose wisely na lang kung alin ang kukunin mo talaga. Kasi, ano to maring love life career parehas, pero more on pera. And this person, maring a strong air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and a fire sign, Aries. Itong taong to ay still nag-holding back. Nakilala mo na to in the past, pero mukhang hindi niya nasabi sa'yo yung gusto niyang sabihin or yung mga gusto niyang, yung feelings niya. So, tingnan natin. Diamond, letter. So, this person will send you a message, a letter, maring letter of confession, airplane. So, there is a long distance. Maring bibisita siya sa'yo. Coffin and coffee to have coffee date. Number, ayan, we have the 3 card. Bottom card is music. So, maring unexpected proposal to. Long distance situation. And nag-decide siya na puntahan ka. Para personally, makapag-usap kayo. Angel Therapy by Archangel Raphael. Give your cares and worries to us, angels, and allow us to take your burdens. So, maring pinagdarasal mo to Kaya, ayan, tinutulungan ka ng mga archangels. Namimiss ka niya? You're my strength. Can't sleep thinking of you all night long. You complete me. I will fight for you. So, dati hindi niya kaya ipaglaban ka, pero ngayon, ayan. Moving forward, can't let you go. So in love with you. Ayan, kasi nag-holding back siya still hinahawakan pa rin niya yung feelings niya. Hindi niya kayang i-let go yun. Kaya ngayon nag-decide na lang siya na puntahan ka, makita ka. Tired and need rest, bottom card. So, tingnan natin. I know I mess up everything. I want you. I hid who I really am from you. I love you unconditionally. Timing just wasn't right for us. I replay our conversations over and over. Just being near you is intoxicating. I wish I had treated you better. So, nagsisisi siya dun sa mga desisyon niya noon na nilet go ka niya, binitawan ka niya. You don't know how hard it was to let you go. Kuha tayo ng initial. letter D, Q, X, I, A, F, E, O, N, V. Bottom card S. We have here addictions, guilty, and true love. So, maaaring na-addict siya sa'yo. Sinabi niya to sa'yo. Na-obsess siya sa'yo. Tapos nagulat ka, bigla siyang bumitaw. Nawala. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. General signs and messages. Birthmark. Weird. Beach. 8. Smart. Skin tag long distance. Confirmation. Fire sign Aries, Leo, Sag. 6 and 9. Intelligent. Leo sign. Runner. Gorgeous. Eye contact. Caring. March. December. Future lover. Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Killer smile. North PH. Karmic relationship April. Sagittarius. So siguro nagkaroon siya ng karmic relationship na malapit sa kanya. May. Patience please. September. Taurus. Number 3. Aquarius. Twin flame. Creepy stalker. So nag-i-stalk siya ngayon. Summer and soon. Soon, ayan o. Talagang pupuntahan ka niya. Very soon. And last card ay dalawa. Kind-hearted and Libra. So, ayan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.